All right, so a bunch of you asked us to do a video walkthrough of our RV, and I 100% refused because there's no way we could clean it.
We cleaned it!
We actually cleaned it. What do you know? Well, you cleaned it.
I cleaned it.
I picked up a couple of things.
The kids helped.
They did. So anyway, we're going to give you a full tour of the RV, the place that we call home.
Our tiny home on wheels.
And anyway, hope you enjoy it.
Hi guys, welcome to our RV. Come on. So this is room 1 on our RV tour. This is our bed. We replaced it with a queen size bed. Normally RV beds are even smaller than this. We've got storage underneath it for all of the stuff we barely ever use. This is our closet, teeny tiny closet. We had to downsize a lot when we moved into the RV. Also up there, got some love notes from our daughter here. And we store all of the electronical things, as you can see on Jake's side of the bed over there. So that about sums it up here, except for this is the exciting part everyone wants to know always. Yes, we have a door. Okay, now we'll come into the great room. Here we have our living room, kitchen, dining room, hallway, family room. Our kitchen is tiny. This is the amount of counter space that we have to work with. We do have some kitchen storage. You can see drawers here for food storage, a blender, and our cookware there. We've got our awesome Berkey water filter here. We do have the little, there's these little inserts that pop into the top of the sink if we need more counter space. That can come in handy sometimes. We have this little stove topper that helps as well. We've got 3 burners under here, and it's actually really easy to cook on. I really enjoyed cooking on this stove as opposed to our glass top one in our old house. And even despite the small amount of space, we get everything done here, and I really cook very similarly to how I cooked before we moved into the RV. We've got a microwave. We have our one upper cabinet, which is probably a disaster. Cups and plates and bowls, and you can take a glimpse at what the RV used to look like in the back of this cabinet. I still haven't put up contact paper, but we've got that dark wood and that splotchy brown. Our tiles are actually just stickers. They're just a little, just line them up, pop them on, and you're good to go. We got a new fridge partway through our journey. Our old fridge did not run on propane, which made it hard to boondock in amazingly beautiful locations. So we got this propane RV fridge, and we have not fixed the trim, so this is something we need to work on, but it's actually not too bad, not too small. When we renovated the RV, we obviously painted everything. The RV was brown and speckly and smelly and gross. We pulled off all of the trim and replaced it with this kind of barn wood. We ripped out all of the furniture and put in new furniture. Our couch has not held up as well as we hoped, but it's prettier than the other one. We had this custom made for this space, which has been really awesome, including these rolling storage bins for art supplies and games. We've got some more kitchen things down there. We've got one kitchen drawer for our kitchen gadgets, etc. We also use underneath the couch for storage. We've got reusable bags and yoga mats and fans and heaters and who else? Who knows? Who knows what else is under there? And we have this lovely mirror here. It's nice, makes the room feel a little larger. And then when we want to watch a movie, Ta-da. And we can also turn it to watch a movie in the master bedroom. If, you know, the kids are asleep, it's a little quieter if we're behind this wall to watch a movie over there. So that's nice. Up here we have homeschool supplies and, oh dear, all of our office thingies. This is the office. Stuff falls out of that. When we were in our Sticks and Bricks house, I had a craft room. Like, I bought several pieces of furniture to house craft supplies. This is how much I downsized. This box. Well, okay, and that jar, but really, this is my craft stuff. This is like random stuff we never use and I should probably get rid of. And here's some books and some stationery on this side. I have a pantry. It's about the same size as the one in our Sticks and Bricks home. It's very deep and narrow, and one drawer for kitchen towels there. Now, the bathroom. This is a big reason we wanted this particular layout of RV because it has so much storage and a special surprise. A door to the outside. This is so handy for when the kids are messy and muddy and sandy, or when we're driving for a long time and they have to go potty and there's nowhere to stop. We pull over, we come here, we open the door, go potty, and we're out because you cannot fit into the bathroom when the slides are closed. It also has all this amazing storage, and the shower is actually a tub as well for the kids, which is really nice. And we've got storage under here too where we keep all of our laundry supplies. And medicine cabinet. So that's the bathroom for you. And we keep this little hook here. This is nice for sunscreens and lotions and things, and all of our towels dry here. So yeah, that's the bathroom. And this, more so than the bathroom, is the biggest reason we got this RV, the bunkhouse. This is where the kids sleep and play and all the things. We've got our 5-year-old girl here, our oldest son who's 7 here, and our youngest son who's 3 here. We installed these railings because they didn't come with railings. We obviously painted in here and redid the floors in here as well. Their closet is on a slide, so it makes for a lot of space in here. A lot of RVs have bunks on this side and bunks on this side, and it kind of feels like a hallway. We really loved that this had kind of this open play area underneath the bunk here, and it's perfect for their height. We did install this little Target shelving unit thing, and we have a tote there or a crate of books. So those are their 2 bins of toys. That's pretty much it. Their books, and then it comes with another bookshelf that's built in right over here. We also have a TV in here that came with the RV. It's not something we use often, but when we need it, it is nice. Everyone's got a little curtain for privacy, which makes it nice at bedtime or if they just need some alone time. So like I said, their closet is really large. It holds clothes for all 3 of them very easily. It goes like oldest to youngest. And then they each have 2 drawers underneath, and then the 2 older kids have a drawer that is underneath their bed, or the youngest bed right there. And a little play area, and it's all you really need. We love this space. It's one of my favorites.
All right, and Jake here to bring you outside to one of my favorite parts of the RV. Come on. So one of the features of this one, it wasn't required for us to live, but it's been a nice surprise and a great thing that we've enjoyed, is the outdoor kitchen. So as you saw in the bunkhouse, there's a bunk that is not quite on the floor, up and over. That's where this kitchen slides into. So let me show you. Yes, it's a mess. But I get to do all my barbecuing stuff out here. So before, we used to have this drawer. As you can see, we still got the rails there. It would pull out, had a couple of burners, just honestly a terrible cheap burner that we didn't like at all. eventually pulled that out, and I got myself a little Weber barbecue. I'll show you that in a minute. But all the components fit in here, and it's got legs on it and everything, so I can pull my barbecue out, set it up, and then I even custom made a propane line that plugs directly in where the old burner plugged in. So we just run right off our RV propane. I don't have to carry a bottle around if I don't want to. So sweet little outdoor kitchen, and then we got ourselves the beer fridge. Right now it's pretty empty. It's got some wine in it, some juice, and it needs to be cleaned. But it's just really nice to have this extra storage area, this cooking area where I can come out and grill and do my thing. And it doesn't take up any space in the RV, so we love it. And out here, the one bummer about this trailer is we have very little storage. So again, as minimalists, we've maximized our space, but this is the only like big outside storage besides our kitchen. As you can see, we've stuffed it. We've got extra shoes here, a bunch of camping chairs and mats, but it does go all the way through, which is nice. But what we like to do is when we park here, we set up, we like to really live outdoors. So we'll set our table up. Right now it's windy, so we've kind of stuffed everything over here, but we like to get the awning out and the table, and we've got the bikes and everything else, because we love to live outdoors. That's part of the RV life, is our backyard changes constantly, so we get to come outside and enjoy it. All right, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tour of our ginormous 300 square foot house.
If you have any questions about our RV, tiny living, minimalism in general, I know there's one question in particular that everyone wants to ask and only a few people are brave enough to do so. Feel free to ask that as well. We are an open book. We're happy to talk about anything full-time RV life, tiny living, you know, that whole deal. The whole shtick, all of it.
Yeah, so you guys know where to find us. Shoot us a DM or send us a question, throw a comment down, and we'll get back to you because we love this life, and hope you guys enjoy this video. I did?
Yeah, you got like a little stray. I'm sure mine is all hot mess. I know it's a hot mess.
Well, it's recording.
It's recording? Okay. Alright. I got the blooper reel. Alright.
It's not straight up and down, is it?
It's perfect. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. It's October. Okay. Don't do that.
Okay.
That's illegal. Alright, and that's it. We hope you enjoyed the tour of our ginormous 300 square foot house.
It's huge.
It is. If you guys have any questions about huge. Yes. All right. All right, and that's it. What are you doing? Don't do that.
Okay, I'm smiling.
All right. Okay, and that's it. We hope you enjoyed the tour of our ginormous 300 square foot house.
Yeah.